is?
God, I'd have been backed halfway down the hill already.
I need the net.
Oh no. You want me to go get it?
Uh,
Let him.
Yell at Harold and tell him to bring net. Unless he's got it with him.
I'll go get it.
Well, he's got it. We're all right.
Is he coming down here?
Yeah.
Oh shoot.
I want this one. I'm not going to try to horse him out.
Oh shit, I can't see.
That is catfish, folks.
Good grief.
That's what fishing's all about. And he's biting the hell out of him.
Put him down.
You! Woo! Wee almighty. Look at that pretty baby. Ann had come down here earlier to check this rod while we were gone to town. There's no problem. I pulled on it, nothing happened. Well, I had a cork on it, and she didn't know that. Fish had gone from one end of the lake to the other, and there was line everywhere. Fortunately, I had him tied to a log so he couldn't get away. There he is. Now what do you want to do with him? Here's Ann's cork. Where's Ann? Right there. Fishing that big rod. That's when we caught that 14-pound on. That's what that other cat weighed, 14 pounds. I got witnesses. Pawing the earth for good luck. Everybody's fishing, including Ann. Now, she's trying to catch me some bait. See if I can see that, get a picture of that. You gotta have bait for these catfish. See her stand on tiptoe? My gosh, she's got an 11-foot rod. Now she got one. All right, hold him.
I'm sorry.
Lay him down somewhere. That's what we want for bait. Show me what you caught, hon.
Oh, a biggie. Whoops. Got the wrong end of it. Whoop.
Oh,
He
grab
came
it.
off by himself.
That's what you catch catfish on. Yeah, I know you're not seeing anything. There's our bait. There's one more. That's probably enough for a while. There's Ann's cork. We should go under while I got